Hello friends, hope doing good. Today I'll show you how you can enable location on your iPhone. Actually, it's need some time enable for share location. Also, some apps want to enable your location because some app want to track you on your location. That's why you need to enable. For example, you see like other apps like here. It's need to access location because currently in, my location is off. So when I enable, then it will be showing the weather, current weather. So like this, many apps need to similar like access. So how you can enable this? You should look in the settings option. Okay. Then you can just scroll down and look location. Also, it's easy way. You can just type here location. Here showing like a share location. If I try full share location, then it is showing the location and privacy and security. Then I type here. Here is showing location services. Right now, disable. So if you want to warn, just you can type here. Uh, as I said before, many apps want to like share location enable and they will track you like Bolt, Bixi. These apps they track me according to my location. But if I disable this one, then any apps cannot access me for location. So sometime needs because if you use Uber like other apps, then you need to enable. Also, if you want to like want to see weather, then you see like now showing the Khatu temperature like 29 degrees Celsius and heavy raining. So that's it. And thanks for the watching. Bye bye.